Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to increase Mshwari loan limit 2025, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So as you can see, we are already in safaricom.co.k, and in this page you will find out this page in description. So let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we need to be scroll down, and here we will find out what should I do increase my loan limit. So that you can see the loan limit will be adjusted downwards or upwards based on your repayment history. Or here we have many options, like bunch of options that related to loan. How will I check my loan limit, how is the loan limit determined, then many things like what should I do increase my loan limit, how will I request for loan after registration. So if you read one by one, you will understand how does the loan work and how you can increase loan. And if I visit to this challenge and 52 challenge, then you will understand furthermore that how to set up Mshwari low saving account for 52 weeks savings. So here you can see this is the steps you need to follow. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.